used to struggle with sleepless nights and constant congestion until I discovered this. This revolutionary magnetic nasal dilator instantly improves breathing and provides relief from a deviated septum and nasal congestion. Its gentle magnetic action opens your airways, increasing oxygen intake by up to 80%. Unlike nasal strips that lose their grip, this device stays in place whether you're sleeping, working out, or even showering. If you suffer from a blocked nose or a deviated septum, this could transform your sleep, boost your energy, and improve your overall health. Try Air Ease now, risk-free for 60 days, and experience the difference.